So good morning students. Today we will solve a few more examples on derivative of implicit functions. So here consider example, find dy by dx if sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. It is an implicit function. So solve for dy by dx. Solution of this example is here given sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k, and we know that sin u differentiation d by dx of u to the power n, first u to the power n into u to the power n minus 1, and also we know that d by dx of sin u, that is cos u into du by dx. Here in the first function, in the first term, the given example, first term is sin square y. First I am going to apply u to the power n formula. Here comparing these two, u to the power n and sin square y, comparing these two, we have in place of u sin y and in place of n we have 2. So therefore that can be written as a differentiation of this one is 2 sin y into d by dx of sin y, because here in place of u we have sin y, so that is du by dx. Okay, u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx plus and cos xy, cos differentiation as usual we know that d by dx of cos u differentiation is minus sin u into du by dx. By comparing these two, cos u and cos xy, in place of u we have x into y, so that is minus sin xy into d by dx of x into y is equal to differentiation of constant is 0, that is d by dx of constant, c is any constant, so that is 0. Here k is constant, so therefore differentiation of k is 0. Again simplifying, we get 2 sin y as it is, 2 sin y as it is. Again differentiation of sin y by using this formula sin u, comparing these two, we have in place of u we have y, so sin u differentiation is cos u, that is sin y differentiation is cos y into dy by dx, because in place of u we have y, so that is dy by dx. Okay, minus plus into minus minus sin x y. Again by using product rule, d by dx of u into v, d by dx of u into v, product rule, first function constant, second function differentiate, that is u into dv by dx plus second function constant du by dx, first function differentiation. Okay, by using this formula differentiate this one, we get here x constant dy by dx plus y constant x differentiation is 1, so that is equal to 0. Now simplify, we get 2 into sin y into cos y dy by dx minus bracket, removing bracket, we get x into sin xy into dy by dx plus y into plus into minus minus y into sin x y is equal to 0. Now solve for dy by dx. Here the first term and second term we have dy by dx as a common, so take it outside, we get dy by dx into 2 sin y cos y, 2 sin y cos y minus, so minus, here we remains with only x into sin y, because already sin xy, because already dy by dx is outside, so minus is equal to, now transfer this minus y into sin xy to RHS side, we get y into sin xy. Now solve for dy by dx, we get here dy by dx is equal to y into sin xy divided by this term will come into denominator side, so that is 2 sin y cos y minus x into sin xy. This is our required solution. Note it down. consider next example. Here, if find dy by dx, if sin square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. Solution. Here it is also an implicit function. So here given is sin square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. Again by using formula d by dx of u to the power n is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. And again I'm going to use sin u formula also, that is d by dx of sin u, d by dx of sin u as well as d by dx of cos u. We know that d by dx of sin u formula, that is cos u into du by dx, and d by dx of cos u formula is minus sin u into du by dx. By using first formula, these two becomes sin square y can also written as differentiate with respect to x. So we get 2 sin y into d by dx of sin y plus 2 cos y into d by dx of cos y is equal to 0. Again because 1 is constant, so d by dx of 1, that is constant, c is equal to 0. So simplify 2 sin y and differentiation of sin y, comparing these two sin y and sin u, in place of u we have y. So therefore differentiation of sin y is cos y into dy by dx plus 2 cos y as it is, and differentiation of cos y is sin y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So solve for dy by dx, we get here in these two terms dy by dx is common, take it outside, and we get dy by dx into 2 sin y into cos y plus into minus, so minus, so cos y 2 cos y into sin y is equal to 0. So this implies dy by dx is equal to 0. Transferring this to RHS side, it will come to denominator. So 0 by anything is 0. So which is our required solution. Note it down. So consider next example. Find dy by dx. If sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. In the previous example, both the functions are in the form of y only, in terms of y. But here one is x and one is y. Now differentiate this one with respect to x. So here given implicit function is sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. So sin square x differentiation is 2 sin x into d by dx of sin x plus 2 cos y into d by dx of cos y is equal to 0, because sin square x, by applying u to the power n formula we get 2 sin x and du by dx. Here in place of u we have sin x. Similarly for cos square y also, in terms of cos square y also, here in place of u we have cos y. So this is the solution. Next, after simplifying we get 2 sin x, d by dx of sin x differentiation is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus 2 cos y as it is. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y into d by dx is equal to 0. So here cos y differentiation, cos u differentiation is minus sin u into du by dx. So cos y differentiation is minus sin y into dy by dx. So after simplifying we get 2 sin x cos x plus into minus 2 sin y cos y, 2 sin y cos y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So for dy by dx, we get dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Transfer to LHS side, RHS side, we get 2 sin x into cos x divided by minus 2 sin y into cos y. And also we know that sin 2 theta formula, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So this can also be written as 2 sin x into cos x is nothing but sin 2x divided by, here minus is there, so minus sin 2y. That is our dy by dx. So which is our required solution. Note it down. Here minus of 2. Okay, transferring this one to RHS side, we get a plus. So sin 2x divided by sin 2y. No, right.